eTimesheets is a powerful accounting and time tracking tool, but before you commit to it, there are a few things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit for your business. Let's dive in and see what sets eTimesheets apart from other accounting software options and what to keep in mind before buying. First, eTimesheets offers a solid time tracking feature, which is its main draw. Unlike many competitors, it allows businesses to easily monitor employee hours in real time, which can be crucial for accurate payroll and job costing. But the challenge is, it's not as customizable as other platforms. You may find that specific needs, like detailed project tracking or customized reporting, are more limited. Next thing to consider is eTimesheets' user interface. While it's fairly straightforward, it's not as intuitive as some of its competitors, especially when compared to tools like QuickBooks Time, which offers a more user-friendly experience right out of the box. If you're looking for a system that's easy to set up without much training, eTimesheets might require a steeper learning curve. The third thing to note is eTimesheets integrations. It integrates well with major payroll systems and accounting software, but if your business uses niche tools or advanced software for your industry, you might run into compatibility issues. On the other hand, platforms like FreshBooks offer more diverse integration options right from the start. Next thing is the pricing structure. eTimesheets is fairly competitive in its pricing, especially compared to alternatives like T-Sheets, which can get a bit pricey for businesses that are just starting out or have a smaller budget. That being said, eTimesheets offers fewer features for its price point compared to more comprehensive options, so it's important to weigh the features you really need. The fifth thing is mobile accessibility. eTimesheets does offer a mobile app, but its functionality isn't as robust as other platforms like Harvest, which offers a much more seamless mobile experience for users on the go. If your team is frequently traveling or working remotely, this could be a key factor in your decision. Sixth, eTimesheets doesn't have as many advanced features for large teams as some of its competitors. While it's a good option for smaller businesses, if you're managing a large workforce with complex payroll needs, you might want to look into something like Deputy, which is specifically designed for larger teams and has features like shift swapping, scheduling, and task management. Next thing is the support offered by eTimesheets. The customer support is generally responsive, but it can sometimes take longer for more complex issues, and it doesn't offer 24/7 support like some of its competitors, such as Zoho. This could be a deal breaker if you're looking for around-the-clock help. The eighth thing is the reporting functionality. eTimesheets reporting is fairly basic, which could be limiting for businesses that need more detailed financial insights. Tools like Xero offer much more in-depth reporting that can give you a clearer picture of your finances and operations. The ninth thing is security. eTimesheets is solid in terms of security, offering features like two-factor authentication. However, it doesn't offer the same level of encryption and data protection features that some larger competitors, like QuickBooks Online, offer, especially in the case of sensitive business data. The 10th thing to keep in mind is the learning curve. While the system itself is not overly complex, some users have reported needing a bit of time to fully understand how to maximize its features, especially in comparison to tools like Clockify, which is known for its ease of use. 11th, eTimesheets is good at automating payroll and simplifying tax calculations, which can save a lot of time for business owners. But it doesn't provide the same level of tax reporting and compliance tools that larger systems like Gusto offer. If you're looking for something that takes care of your taxes in a more hands-off way, this might be a limitation. The 12th and final thing to consider is eTimesheets' scalability. As your business grows, you may find that eTimesheets doesn't scale as smoothly as some competitors like Sage or ADP Workforce Now. These platforms are designed to handle more complex payroll and time tracking needs as your business expands, so if you're planning for growth, you might outgrow eTimesheets. So, is eTimesheets a good option for your business? In short, yes. It's a solid, budget-friendly choice for small to medium-sized businesses that need time tracking and payroll integration. But if you